Hey Queens and Kings, welcome back and thank you guys so much for watching as well as returning. In today's video, I will be making two simple Pinterest inspired holiday gift ideas or centerpiece. If you guys would like to see how I created each one, please continue to watch. Hey Queens and Kings. Okay, Queens and Kings, so before I can actually create the looks, I will have to use these gorgeous flowers here where I'm actually collaborating with a company called Mackin, where they sent me out this box here, and inside this box I have 42 faux roses where they actually have a real touch and they are foam flowers. And as you guys can see, I have the box that comes with three different shades in white, sky blue, and a darker blue, which I'm totally loving. In that little smaller package you guys see there is actually a air freshener. So if you all would like to get your hands on these, I will link them down below, so therefore you guys can check them out. So with that being said, let's move on to the rest of the items to create this look, which I will be using Dollar Tree items. Alright, Queens and Kings, so here I'm showing you guys that old Bath & Body Works candle holder where I clean all the wax out, and I have a styrofoam from the Dollar Tree and these gorgeous flavorful candy canes, which I do have 3 packs, and I will advise you guys to get 4 packs, which you guys will see later in the video. So all I'm going to do now is just shove my styrofoam down, and that's going to be it. We're going to need no glue for this point here. So now I'm taking the candy canes and I'm placing a small amount of glue to the top of the rim of the candle holder and the bottom of the candle holder. And I'm going to do this all the way around. Okay, Queens and Kings, so this is at the point reason why I say you would need 4 packs of these candy canes, because only 3 did not make it around, so I had to scratch it out and just run with it, which you guys will see that I will have a gap in between, but we're gonna fix that. We're gonna fix that up. So don't worry if you just got 3, it still can work out long you got some ribbon. Okay, and I know you guys may be wondering, like, why are you using hot glue for the cannon? That's why I'm only putting a small amount just in case whoever you want to give it to still want to eat the cannon. So therefore, it does not burn all the way through the plastic or anything like that. And I'm using a low temperature hot glue gun. Now, I was going to use a rubber band, but I did not have a large rubber band or rubber band period enough to hold these in place. Now, you could go through that method as well. Alright, so as you Queens and Kings can see, I have this gap here that I was telling you guys about, which it looked like proper 3 candy canes length away, but we're just going to keep on moving it on. So here I'm taking the flowers and I'm cutting them down to size, just trying to measure and see how far much of stem that I really need to cut off, and I'm just going to start arranging them going all the way around in the candle holder. Gorgeous, right? We have a candy cane bouquet. So pretty, so pretty. But now we're gonna move on and try to cover up our gap. And here I'm gonna take my Totally Dazzle bling and I'm gonna wrap that around just to give it like a wide ribbon look, to break up some of the blue going on. And put some glam, of course. Now for the bow portion of this video, you guys will not see because I did not know how to make a bow with no bling ribbon. So that's something that I need to practice myself, but I'm going to do it off camera, so therefore you guys will see the finished look in a moment. Alright, queens and kings, so here is the finished look. Instead of me just making it a bouquet, a candy bouquet, I decided to put a candle inside it as well. And you guys see my little simple bow, nothing major, but I did also use a Totally Dazzle bling as in my brooch as well. So I really do love the way this look and the combination of the two different colors of flowers. Like, it really is pretty, and just by putting the candle in, I just brought it up a different notch. So let's move on to the second and final DIY. Alright, queens and kings, so for the last and final DIY, here I'm using this water globe that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it have like this very suction top here, which is very hard to get off, so I really had to ply it off to get it off there. But inside they have the instruction of how you can actually create your own little globe, a shaker, whatever you want to call it. So now I'm just basically sitting the globe on top of the top that it came with, and I'm gonna fill it in with some of these Dollar Tree gems here. Now you could have put water, you could have put oil, or whatever you want to put in it. It's up to you, but I'm just gonna go with something simple and dry. So now I'm gonna use the rest of the flowers that I did have left over from the first DIY, and I'm just gonna actually twist the stems together, and I'm gonna measure and cut them down to size, basically like I did the candle holder. Okay, so now that I got them cut down to how I want, I'm just gonna stick some of these faux greenery and this flop tree branches or whatever that I had left over off of some garland. Now I like this just simple and cute. That's all it is, nothing more, nothing less. And I'm just gonna take one of Dollar Tree little picks, faux picks, and use a Dollar Tree ornament and stick it on there and stick it in there. And that's gonna be that for this DIY here. Okay, queens and kings, so here are the final looks, which I love these. These are so simple and mini, and they could be actually styled in anywhere in your home or at your office as well. You can put this on your little desk to bring more of the little festive feel in, on your coffee table, on your side table, on your bedside table. It doesn't matter, but I think they will be as great as well for gifts. So I'd like to give a shout out to Mackin for actually collaborating with me on these little quick and easy, simple Pinterest inspired holiday DIYs. So I hope you queens and kings actually enjoyed, and if you guys do, click the link in the description box, and I will also put it in the comment section as well, so therefore you guys can click on it and check them out, so therefore you can actually get some for yourself. Holidays coming up, a good easy gift for someone who like crafting. So I hope you queens and kings enjoyed. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you queens and kings in the next video. You guys be blessed and continue to be royal.